You might be saying, oh, there are thousands of ways to make ogbono soup, but have you tried mine? You should watch this video to the end and see what deliciousness I made out of this. I have a lot of other ways in which I make my ogbono soup, and this is one of the ways I make it. So keep on watching to see how I made this. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today let's make a delicious ogbono soup. You will enjoy watching this, and this is the way I make mine. It's very easy and delicious. So yeah, all the ingredients I'll be using. I have my beef, I have my bush meat, it was shown already, and I have my meat stock from the cooking of the beef, and I have my ogbono. It's already blended with crayfish and dried pepper. And this is how it looks like. This is how ogbono looks like for those of you that don't really know how it looks like. And this is the dried pepper, how it looks like. And these are the crayfish I'll be using. Yes, they are all blended already. And yes, and I have my stock cubes here and bitter leaf. And I have some cow tail. I did boil them already. Yes. And yeah, and I have my dried prawns. If you don't add dried prawns to your ogbono, then you are missing out. You should try it out. It's very delicious. Yes. And here in my pot, I'll be adding the palm oil. This is the form I'm going to be cooking today, the kind of way I'm cooking it today. I'll be adding my palm oil, and then I'll be adding the blended ogbono that I've blended with crayfish and dried pepper. And this is it. Yes, I'll be adding it to the oil. Don't let the oil to be burnt or bleached at all. Just a little heat, then you add the blended ogbono and the crayfish and everything. So here it is. I'm going to be stirring it out for lumps, breaking it out for lumps, and make it to a smooth paste before adding water. And in this case, I'm going to be adding the water that I used from boiling my beef. So I'm going to be adding it and stirring it out till I get the smooth paste. And then I'll be adding the rest of the water. And here be checking out for water for it not to be too running after cooking. So I'm going to be adding water bit by bit. So now I'm going to be adding my stock cubes. Yes, and every other ingredients. I'm just going to be adding all the ingredients at once because this is how I make mine. I like it when all the ingredients are added at the same time. It gives it this really nice taste at the end because all the flavors has been infused into the soup. So yes, this is how I do mine. So I'm going to be adding everything and I'm going to stir it, and I don't cover my ogbono. I don't know about you, but I don't cover mine. There is a saying that when you cover it, it doesn't really draw. It's true. I've tried it. Yes. So don't cover it. You just put it on a very low heat and you'll be cooking. And at first, I did show you something. There was foams on top of the ogbono. That means it's not really cooked. But when it's like this, you can see how it's really brown already. Then you know that your ogbono is ready. Then I'll be adding my bitter leaf and stir again. And yes, ogbono is like ready. I did cook mine for about 50 minutes. Yes, when it's 50 minutes, I think it should be done. And I like my ogbono very thick, so I'm not going to be adding much water again. I'm not adding no more water. So this is how I prepare my very easy yet delicious ogbono. And here I have some gari that I'll be using to make my swallow. I prefer using eba, which is gari, for my ogbono because it tastes much more better for me. I don't know about you. Some people would love it with some pounded yam, amala, but me, I prefer using gari. So I prefer eating my ogbono with eba swallow. Yes, and I precisely the yellow gari. That's my favorite. Yes. So yeah, I'm just making my eba. You can see it's very easy to make. I did pour in boiling water and I added the gari bit by bit, and I did put some water on top of it again to like level it up. And yeah, I'm just going to be stirring. But first, I'm going to cover it for some at least 1 minute or 2 minutes. Yes, for that water on top to be soaked in properly. And I'm just going to be stirring it. And that is how I make my eba. Yes, and I don't like it to be too hard. When I see it's still too hard, I'm going to be adding more water to make it more like a bit soft. And yes, my eba is ready. I just turn it and make a form out of it. And I just make this easy form. I make a ball out of the eba and I put in a cling film. And that is it. To just get my round shape. You can decide to start eating it like this already. But yeah, this is how I make mine. And yeah. So now it's time to serve our food. And here is my ogbono soup. You can see how delicious it's looking. And the aroma in my kitchen now, it's so, so delicious. Yes. Yes, this is how I love my ogbono. Very thick. I don't like watering one. Yes, very thick. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, please do help my channel to grow. Do give this video a thumbs up, share my video, and subscribe. I will really, really appreciate it. Thank you very much. So now let's take a taste of the food we made. So look at, I'm just going to take a taste of this. Delicious. Let me know in the comment section if you've been making ogbono soup this week. This is so delicious. Oh God, I love ogbono soup. It's one of my favorite soup. I said one of my favorite is not my most favorite, but it's one of my favorite soup, definitely. So delicious, well spiced. I think I'm going to go off camera to enjoy this delicious meal. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed watching. Let me know in the comment section below too where you are watching me from. I'm really interested to know where you are watching me from. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Do share my videos, it helps my channel. And if you are not yet subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. Help my channel to grow. Thank you all for watching, and I'll be seeing you all in my next video. Bye bye.